Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Steelmaster Industrial EPB1270/2. It's our European style Panbrake. It's 1270 wide by 1.6 miles steel capacity. One of the key features of this Euro type Panbrake is we have a fully segmented top and also bottom fingers. So you can separate obviously the top and the bottom to do your upper and lower type folding. Alright, let's run through some of the features on this machine here. We've got material thickness adjustment on the left and right hand side, so simply wind those up and down to suit your material thickness. We've also got a nice little quick set angle adjustment there, so lock that into a desired angle. It's a positive stop type system as well. And over here we've also got adjustment up and down, so you can adjust that down to actually lower that to suit, once again, radius is required and thickness as well. So on the fingers themselves, as I said, they're all hardened and ground. I'll just open this up, and so it's a spring opening system, so simply click that lever there. There's heavy duty springs in the back, so that actually eases the opening of the folder itself. If you look carefully just over here, we've got hardened and ground fingers. These ones are horned on the end, so obviously you can get nice tight folds in, and they're all fully segmented all the way across. There's smaller segments on the left hand side. To segment your section, simply loosen these fixing fixtures here and slide those along. With the bottom one, it's the same as well. Basically use your Panbrake, loosen those off, and you can slide your bottom segments left and round to suit your folding application. So to work the machine, it's quite simple. As I said, lock it in. You've set your thickness. We're folding 0.55 or 1 mil. We've set that to 90 degrees. It's also a strut system, so it's very, very easy to fold, as you can see there. So it's fold that up and down to get your desired angle. So that's our Euro Panbrake. So jump on assetplant.com.au and find our range of metalwork machinery. Thanks, and have a great day.